How to find and view ClinicalTrials.gov quality control review comments in the Modernized PRS. If you'd like to address comments you've received as part of the ClinicalTrials.gov quality control review process, you can locate the records in your record list that have comments by clicking on the filter window below the tag's header, selecting PRS Review Comments from the list of options, and clicking on the Apply button. You'll see that the records that have comments are tagged with a red flag. Clicking on the Open link to the left of one of these records will take you to the record summary page for the record. Scroll down to the first dashboard and click on the Comments tab. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you will see a summary of the total number of major issues that have been identified, as well as the total number of advisory comments that have been added. To the right, you'll see a breakdown of the number of general, major, or advisory comments that have been included in the record, as well as the number of comments of each type that have been added in each module. Modules with major issues are identified with an exclamation mark. If you click on one of the module names, you'll be taken directly to the relevant part of the protocol summary and to the first comment that has been included for that module. After reviewing the comment and determining how to resolve the issue, you can click on the Edit button for the module to make any necessary changes. There you have it. That is how to find and view ClinicalTrials.gov quality control review comments in the Modernized PRS.